These are the top 3 insane dirt bike jumps. At number 3, this rider is showing his skills.
Really, really well. Here, we check it out. We got a front flip off the setup jump. Clicks third.
Coming into the second one. Puts that down. So you just had back-to-back front flips right there.
Damn, that was huge. He was definitely going long, landed.
At number 2, this rider is riding amazingly. At number 1, this rider is looking like a skydiver.
I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch